hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't make my soul so crack. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't.
What's going on, guys? It's Octane Red 392. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Top Tint, getting some final touches done to my car. If you haven't followed my IG account, please do. On there you'll see that my rear bumper was damaged as well as my front bumper, two different incidences. So they're back on the car now, and I'm getting the last little bit done to the rear bumper. For you guys that know, I got a rear diffuser. This one I changed it up a little bit. Hope you guys like it. Later.
It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't make my soul so crack. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, and this month's giveaway is an Amazon Fire Stick, brand new in the plastic. So how you enter this drawing is you go to my last 3 videos, you post Fire Stick, Fire Stick, Fire Stick, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then on Friday, November 1st at 8 p.m. on Instagram Live, we are going to reveal the winner. Also, go Jags. See you guys Friday.